These draft door stoppers are great. I wish I was the inventor of this. There's the Velcro. This piece right here just has tape, and you just measure it where you need it and stick it there. And then this sticks to it. You cut them to the length that you need for your door. They insulate well. Very, very, very nice. See how this door is almost 2 inches off the ground because of the wood floor. It had carpet before. Just make sure you measure them and put them in the right spot, and they work great. I hope that this helps. And I hope you have yourself a great day.